The cabinet mission to India was held by Lord Pitt-Lawrence. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly for Undivided India met on 9th December, when the Constituent Assembly for the Dominion of India reassembled on 31st October 1947. Its reduced membership of 299. Who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. B.M. Rao. The Constitution of India was enacted by a Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Constituent Assembly was framed by the Constitution for Independence was set up in 1946. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? Sachidananda Sinha. Who among the following was the chairman of Drafting Committee of Indian Constitution? Dr. Ambedkar. How long the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? About 3 years, since December 1946. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The demand for the Constituent Assembly was put forward by the Indian National Congress in 1936 at its section held at Lucknow. The Constituent Assembly arrived at decision on the various provisions of the Constitution by consensus. The most profound influence on the drafting of the Indian Constitution was exercised by the Government of India Act 1935. Match the following committees of Constituent Assembly and their chairman. Answer D. Which one of the following statement is correct? Answer A. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected by provincial assemblies in the year of 1946. Match the following. Answer A. July 22. Which of the following are correctly matched? Answer D. First and third. Indian national song Vande Mataram and Indian national animal tiger. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in July 1947. Which of the following are the principal features of Government of India Act 1919? Answer D. 1, 3 and 4. Introduction of Diarchy in the executive government of the provinces, devolution of legislative authority by the center of provinces, expansion and reconstruction of central and provincial legislature. Which of the following proved to be the most short-lived of all the British constitutional experiment in India? Answer B. Indian Council Act 1909. Which of the following acts formally introduced the principle of elections for the first time? Answer A. Indian Council Act 1909. Which of the following features do not contribute to make the Indian Constitution the bulkiest in the world? Answer C. Second and third. It codifies the rights and privileges of the members of parliaments and state legislatures. It enumerates all type of Indian citizenship and how it can be terminated. Which of the following statement is or not correct about the objective resolution? Answer C. Third and fourth. It formed the basic for the chapter on fundamental rights. It called for the establishment of a socialist and secular polity. Which of the following items is wrongly matched? Answer A. December 9, 1947, Constituent Assembly first meeting. Which of the following provision of the Constitution came into force from November 26, 1949? Answer C. First, second and third. Provisions relating to citizenship, provisions relating to electronics, provision relating to provisional parliament. Which of the following acts gave representation to Indians for the first time in the Indian legislative? Answer C. Government of India Act 1935. The Crown took the Government of India into its own hands by Government of India Act 1858. Consider the following statement. The Indian Constitution is a written constitution largely based on Government of India Act 1935. The Indian Constitution established a secular state, meaning the state makes no discrimination on the basis of religion in matters of employment.